Hello guys, welcome to Right to Trick. In this video I'm going to show you how you can uncover identity of a people who lives in shadows and cyber bullies or blackmails online. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to open my GitHub repository. Stalker Finder. I'm gonna show demo of app in a minute. First let me tell you what is this app and how it works, etc. So Stalker Finder finds cyberbully or stalker or fraudster. A project is based on social engineering technique, means trying to manipulate target users to give his her personal information. When target user installs main.apk, here you can say main.apk, and follows instructions, then details are received on admin.apk. You can see here admin.apk. Here dummy names main.apk of app is used because I don't want search engines to index name and flag this as a virus. If I will use correct name of app and Google will link name of app to find cyberbully, then it will show in search results of Google and that person will not install. That's why I use just a dummy name. Now this is very important. This project is only for help those who are getting bullied or stalked by some unknown person. Please don't use it for harm anyone. And also please don't post anything about this app online, else search engines like Google might flag this app as a bad virus. Also don't upload these apps anywhere. If you find out who is your stalker, don't confront him her. She might hurt you. To protect his her identity, it is wise to go to cops with information you found. Okay, and there might be some legal issues with this app as per your location, so make sure you are not breaking any law. So these are very important stuff. And information, what kind of information is extracted by main.apk? Auto extracted, these are automatically extracted by app when permissions are received from the user. Contacts, call logs, SMS, GPS location, phone number, etc. You can know very much about that person by these details, because if you like see contacts like mom or father or mother like that, etc., you can call that person and you can easily ask where they are and who they are, etc. And by GPS location you can see where that person's home is, etc. And you can also see from SMS like received from banks with name like hello Mr. Bob, etc. So you can know very much about that person from these details. And these details are extracted from email, name, email address, photo attached to email, and phone number if attached or otherwise blank. And these are provided by user while using app. Name, date of birth, address, phone number, bank account, bank IFSC, and photo. These might be accurate or not, depends on the user when he is typing or she is typing, but this will be very much accurate because these are auto extracted. And these are extra stuff. Can I find this an app store, app play store? For any app store you have to tell what that app does, and stalker will know. So I don't have any plan to upload it on any app store. Why code is not available on repository? Same reason as previous. I don't want Google to index term strings used in app, otherwise stalker will Google those and know directly what this app does. Okay, that's all information. Let me show you demo and explain what is happening. I'm gonna play this video I recorded in mobile and explain step by step everything. So let me see if I can speed up. As you can see, I'm just going to my repository, and okay, let me speed it more. And I'm downloading main.apk and admin.apk. I downloaded both files. Okay, let me slow down it a bit. Originally name was main.apk, but I changed it lowest point so it will not look as fake. So let me speed again. So I'm installing both apps in my mobile just for demo, but you have to send other to target user. You only need admin.apk. So you can see this is admin app. You can read instructions here. uh, it also shows process, how to go through and delivery, etc. So this is social engineering based, so you have to manipulate user to install, like let me go back little, like Bob, check out this awesome app, it's just amazing, etc., and we will get rupees 2999 gift card, etc. So in data you will create a referral code which you will target user use. So you can provide your support email. If you provide your support email, then target user will can further contact you, like that person can ask when will I receive my reward, and you can extract more information from that person, like you will receive money in 7 days, please send your documents, etc., for further verification. So you can extract more information if you provide support email. And support email should be something like a dumb email, like support@loverspoint.com, something like which will look genuine. So I'm just here writing some dumb email. So as you can see now, a referral code is created, and but it is not used yet. So I have to send this to target user and send like this: hey man, check out this awesome app, it is just amazing, and you will also get rupees 299 gift card, and this is referral code, and something that make that person interested in app and install. So now let me show you how this will work on that user's mobile and Lovers Point. So best romance soap only for our premium clients, enter your referral code for claim, and when that person will enter this referral code. And let me tell you one thing, a referral code is only valid for 10 days. Only for 10 days that person can use that referral code, and only for 10 days you can see data received on that referral code. I created this functioning because I don't want it to stay referral code active for too much time. So congratulations, referral code redeemed. You can use rupees 299 gift card to purchase items or transfer to your bank after the registration or process. Thanks for joining Lovers Point. We will try to work with you. So it is very important that that person allow these things, but don't worry, I am requesting permissions several times in app, so most probably that person will allow at least once. These are the details which are inserted by that user. Your GPS, okay, this is GPS permission, so it will send exact location of that person. And for what was that, let me repeat. Full app activation can take some time. Till then you are welcome to try our promotional features. Send to bank when wallet has that much money. So that person might insert this stuff. Don't worry, some of data already received on admin app. Amount of data will depend how long further that person uses app. So now is lucky draw. Congratulations, you are our 1 million premium member, and as a thank you, you are rewarded with iPhone 12 Pro. Please fill the form to receive reward. This is valid only for 5 minutes. So you can see there are lot of stuff which are going to admin app. Verify, we received your details and we will courier iPhone as soon as we verify that you never used this feature previously. Please capture one image of you so that we can verify you are a new user. So you can see the image of that person also will received. I'm just using some dummy image. Your delivery is started, it can take some time, days. You can contact support till then, and using that person can contact you and you can ask for more details. Now let me show you the details in the admin app. Data, you can see all details are received. Names which are attached to email, photo, registration name means name provided at time of registration, date of birth, name entered, time of bank, etc. Name entered at time of order iPhone, locations, SMS, contacts, call logs. I'm not going to show you these details because these are my personal, but all these will be received. And you can see image will be also received. So using all this stuff you can identify who is that bully or blackmailer, and you can go to cops with these details. And this is very important, you don't confront him, because if that person is doing these things, means that person is very bad and he or she can harm you to protect his identity. So that's all, and if this will help, you can support my work by clicking on buy me a coffee. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.